Hi everybody, I hope you practiced a lot last days. Today I would like to talk about the vibrato a little bit. I use it to make my sound quality even warmer, even better. So I give you some exercises to be able to control your vibrato, and if you do it every day, then you will feel much better. So the first exercise is actually an exercise also for the shifting and for the vibrato. This is a very old exercise you do with the first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger. Be careful that the square is always there and also that the thumb is going with you. Second finger, third finger, fourth finger. You don't need to grab the finger and to press it to the fingerboard. Then you can go to the second exercise. So this is, you grab an eighth and you go up and down. It has to be a super comfortable position. Don't push like crazy, don't grab like crazy. Just listen to your forearm, that you go up and down. You can do it fast, slow. You can do it with the bow, that you have a very good sound quality also. But do it. Next exercise is you grab an F sharp and do a harmonic. And you do a little praller on it once. So you can see you move with your whole forearm up and down. Then you have 2, 3, 4, and then suddenly you have a lot. You can see I don't grab like crazy. It's a comfortable position. The next exercise is to be able to control the amplitude of the vibrato. You put the metronome on 40. Correct me if I'm not 40. And you do on every single beat a movement downwards. Then you do 2, double tempo. Wow, wow. Then you do 3, wow, wow, wow. 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you do it with the bow. So it will be like this. Then you can do it also with the next finger. And go on. There is no bad vibrato, but a bad hand position. So I'm also searching after or of a very good hand position to be able to make the most beautiful vibrato I can ever do. Also, the form of the finger is very important. So, am I flat or am I steady? No. I search for it.